Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop people downloading your TikTok videos. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. On TikTok, there is a feature for people to download other users' videos to their galleries. Here is how you can turn that feature for your account and stop people downloading your TikTok videos. First, open up TikTok and head over to your profile page. Now tap the settings button from the top right of the page. Tap settings and privacy. Then again, privacy. On this page, under the interactions, there is an option called downloads. Tap on it. Now here, all you need to do is just to toggle this button to turn it off, and that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.